A lovely hello to all my 10 champion kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. So today, my dear lovely kids, I have brought a gift for you. I know you were, many of you messaged me, numerous messages you sent me regarding formula sheet. Sir, we want formula sheet, complete formula sheet of maths. So I worked hard for you guys and I create a complete, package of formula sheet. Each and every question that might be asked by board in your coming board examination, every question will be from this formula sheet. You can solve you can tackle each and every kind of question if you can memorize all these formula. So let me show you the beauty and the quality and how I created this formula sheet for you everyone. So this is just a gift for you. So let's see. So this is of chapter number 1, real number. So I have just created the formula. I have arranged the formulas in very systematic order. So you all can get this formula just free of cost. But for this, you have to follow the WhatsApp channel. You can also get the download link in the description of this video. So you can hit the link and you can get the formula free of cost, everyone. Yes, my dear kids, just free of fun for you, everyone. So look, the formula which are I found which is important for your upcoming board examination 2026, I marked here, very important for 25-26. So this question, proving irrationality, you must have done so many questions based on this. Prove root 5 is an irrational number, prove root 2 is an irrational number. So such question generally asked. Many time in board, such question already asked by the board exam. So to prove numbers like root 2, root 3 irrational, this is called contradiction method. So this is very important for you. So whichever the important formula for you, I have already marked. See what I have mentioned here, very important for 2025-2026. So look at the beauty of this formula sheet. I request everyone from you all, just go through the sheet and you will get this sheet free of course for you everyone. Yeah, you all are very important for you. For me, yeah, of course I want to see you off as a topper in your upcoming examination, board exam of 2026. So let's have a look, short look. You can download the formula sheet free of cost. So for this, what I have told you, to get this formula sheet free of cost, 100% free, no charge, you need to hit the link, or you can also get the link of download from our WhatsApp channel. So kindly go, and whoever is already followed the channel, that's very fine, and the student who is new here, just go and follow our WhatsApp channel. And this is our WhatsApp channel, Deeksha Vedantu class 10th WhatsApp channel. Just follow it and you can get further future notification on time, every time. So this will be very advantage for you everyone, because you all are preparing for your board exam, and we, the faculty member on Deeksha Vedantu channel, is putting 100% effort. We are doing tirelessly, we are experimenting the things for you everyone, so that you can get good marks in your board examination. So we all are dedicatedly working for you everyone. Just go and follow the WhatsApp channel and get this formula sheet for you. Yes, so let's move. Chapter number 2, look at the polynomial, how I manage the formula. Look at the beauty of this formula. Each and every algebraic identities I have just given. You don't need to move here and there. You don't need to roam here and there in this book, in that book, that side, and you don't need to go anywhere. Just go through this formula sheet and you can get all the formula easily and comfortably. Now look, this question, relationship between coefficients and zeros of quadratic polynomial. So this is important, so I have just given it blue color, so you can differentiate. This formula is a bit important. So these are the algebraic identities. You don't need to go anywhere to check out, to search the formula. Just go through this formula sheet, memorize the formula, and you will be able to tackle each and every kind of question in your board exam as well as in your pre-board exam. So let's move to the third chapter. Look at, this is pair of linear equation in two variable. This is the general form. How beautifully I generated this, I created this formula sheet for you. So my dear lovely kids, you all are very important for me, and I know you were worried about the formula. You were not able to get the formula at one place. So I have picked up the formula. I have managed this sheet very beautifully, and you will get each and every formula here in single sheet. You just need to follow the channel, WhatsApp channel of Deeksha Vedantu, and you can also get the download link in this video's description. Okay, so you can get the link over there. So this is the condition for nature of solution of two pair of linear equation. Now moving to the chapter number 4, this is quadratic equation. Look, whatever the important formula I have Each and every formula is being boxed, so you can get every formula here. This is chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Every formula I have mentioned here. This is chapter number 6, triangle, BPT, basic proportionality theorem, converse of BPT. Look how beautifully I have created this formula for you, everyone. Just go and follow the WhatsApp channel and you can get this formula sheet free of cost. Yeah, free of cost. I'm telling you, free of cost. Okay, there is no formula in triangle. Yeah, of course, in triangle there is no algebraic formula. The triangle chapter is based on theorem. There are so many theorems, and based on those theorems we will be solving the question, and you might be solving the question, right? Okay, now move to the chapter number 7. The chapter is coordinate geometry. Look, distance formula, section formula, midpoint formula, distance of point from the origin, the coordinates of points on axis. Yes, if the points is lying on y-axis or x-axis, so what will be the coordinate? Like, so I have given the formula. Now come to trigonometry. Trigonometry, which scares a lot the student. I found so many times student found scared, student found afraid about this chapter. I don't know why. So to remove those fears, to remove your fear, I have managed this sheet here. Look at the formula here. I have created each and every formula. I have picked up, systematically created this formula, so you can go through the formula sheet and you can memorize each and every formula by relating with each other, right? So this is the this is the trigonometric ratio, reciprocal identity, quotient identities, Pythagorean identities. You know, this is very important for trigonometric identities question. The question which is based on proof type question. The question which scares students a lot. Many of you, I know, many of you might be still worried about those questions, trigonometric identities. So to remove your fear and everything, I have just brought this gift for you. So just go and download this formula sheet. Trigonometric ratio for complementary angles. Now this is very important. I know, trigonometric ratio table for some standard angle, 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90, and that is the reason why I have just taken a special slide for this. So this is of your trigonometric table. Now come to chapter number 9, some application of trigonometry. For some application of trigonometry, angle of elevation and angle of depression, both terms are very important, and you have to you should have the values of 10 also. 10 plays very important role in application of trigonometry, and that is the reason why I have just specially boxed the values of 10. I'm not saying sine and cos are worthless and they are not important for this chapter. Both are also important, but majority, most of the question you will be getting this 10 value. So you should have 10 value, 10, 30, 10, 45, 10, 16. That is the reason why I have taken the 10 values especially. Now using two angles of elevation from 2 points. Look, this is very important format. When some object goes towards a building or towards a tower, so in such situation we use this format, right? So let's move to the next chapter, number 10. Chapter number 10 is circle. Yeah, look how beautifully I have just taken each and every theorem. Theorem number 1, theorem number 2, theorem number 3. Look, these are the theorem. And second definition, short relation second, and number of common tangents. So no question will be beyond these theorem. You will not get any question beyond these theorem, beyond this formula sheet. From this formula sheet. Yes, each and every question you will be getting in future will be from this formula sheet. So you need to memorize each and every formula I have picked up here. I have taken here in this formula sheet. This is my humble request. If you should not have formula, you cannot solve the question. So to solve the question in mathematics, you should have formula first. Now move to chapter number 11, area related to circle. So whatever the important formulas are here, circumference, area of minor sector, length of major arc, and look, this is area of equilateral triangle, because in this chapter, in many questions you will be getting equilateral triangle also. So to solve the equilateral triangle, to find the area of equilateral triangle, you should have the formula of that. And that is why I am mentioning here. Formula of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. A is the side of that triangle, right? Shadow region. Shadow region is very important for board exam. So I mentioned the formula of shadow region also, right? Look, these are the direct formula to find the sector area. If the angle at the center is 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, you can directly use this formula. Now come to chapter number 12, surface areas and volume. Wow, how beautifully look at the systematic order and look at the overall neatness of this formula sheet. And this is just for you, everyone, for you all, my champion. cube, cuboid, and this is some extra formula, some supplementary formula to find the diagonal of cube and cuboid, or we can also find the slant height. Now this is separate cylinder, right circular cone, sphere and hemisphere. So this is the beauty. Now chapter number 30, surface areas in volume. So sorry, basically this is of, let me mention here, this is of, you can see here the formula is of statistics. So by mistake I've just mentioned here. My dear kids, this is statistics. Let me mention here statistics. Right? So this is basically statistics. You can see here the mean, we are talking about mean, mode, median, right? So this is for mean for group data, mean of assume mean method, to find the mean by assume mean method, mean by step deviation method, median for group data, mode of ungrouped data, right? And relationship between mean, mode, median. Yeah, using this formula you might get 1 marks, because generally 1 marker question comes based on this formula. Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this is important formula for your 1 marker mark. Okay, so now move to the chapter number 14. The chapter number 14 is basically, you all know the last chapter is probability. Wow, look at the beauty of probability chapter. So probability of an event, number of favorable outcome, each and every concept I mentioned here. Coin concept, how many possible outcomes occurs when 2 coin, 1 coin and 3 coins simultaneously tossed up, and how many, total number of outcomes in 52 deck of 52 cards. You all know there are 4 types of cards, heart, club, spade or diamond, and they all are of 30 numbers each. So 13 into 4 will be 52. You all know there are S card, king card and all. So you have already gone through the deep, but you should have formula, you should have total number of outcomes has. Okay, so this is very powerful formula sheet for you everyone, for your board exam, board 2026. I specially created this formula for you everyone, for your pre-board exam and for your board exam. So to get this formula free of cost, 100% free, no chargeable, you can download this formula by hitting the download link given in this description. Just go through the description, hit the link over there, you can get the PDF form of this, right? Okay, and you can also get this formula sheet from WhatsApp channel. So you need to follow the WhatsApp channel first. You can get you'll be getting future notification as well, as because we are giving complete academic solutions especially for board 2026. And student, you already know we have already launched the Operation 95 Plus, and we are doing live session every day in every subject, maths, physics, social studies and everything. So we are giving you complete academic solution here. So the students who have already subscribed the channel, well and good, because you are getting time to time notification and you're getting advantage of this channel. So the student, whoever is new here, just go and hit the subscribe button and share this channel with your friend, so all can avail advantage of this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone.